In this video, I'm going to explain how to enable or disable Google Sync on your Android phone. Google Sync connects various Google services to your device through your Google account, and you can choose which services to sync based on your preferences. So to begin, you need to swipe up from the home screen and locate the settings icon and open your system settings. Now you need to scroll down and find the options of account. Select accounts and backup. Within this section, look for manage accounts and select it. Here you'll see the list of all of your accounts. If you have trouble finding it, use the search bar at the top right and type in accounts and select the Google account that you wish to manage. Then tap on sync account option and you'll see a list of services like Docs, Calendar, Google Play, and you can toggle each service on or off by tapping on it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.